Hey guys, my name is Alex and I am founder of Beachside Custom Vans and co-founder of Mile High Custom Vans. Today I'm very excited to give you guys a tour of Old Blue, my short school bus that I've been living out of. Give you a quick background. So I went to school in Jacksonville at University of North Florida, and once I graduated I bought this school bus. Was working full-time as well. Big snowboard, I wanted to live in it and snowboard bum it, I guess you could say, across Colorado in the western states. So ended up buying this, building it out, quitting my job and moving out to Colorado. Lived out it during the winter and absolutely loved my time in it, but it's sad to see it go. Today I'll be putting it for sale. So come check out the tour and see what's up. So my school bus is a 2003 Ford E350. It has a 7.3 turbo diesel engine in it, one of the most well-known diesel engines out there, known as the Million Mile engine, which is really nice. This thing's a beast and will hopefully last to 1,000,000 miles. Currently has 113 miles on it. Come check out inside. So walking in, the first thing you'll notice is we have this really cool cubby where you could store your boots. Where I have my snowboard boots, you could store anything as far as shoes and stuff like those. You could sit on the stairs and take off your shoes. Really nice, not getting the actual van wet or muddy or snowy when you guys are dealing with that weather. When you first walk in, you'll notice we have our electrical cabinet above our driver's seat. We have 3 100 amp hour Battle-Born batteries that are self-heating, as well as a Victron Energy 2000 watt inverter charger. We have our AC and DC control panels back there with all of our fuses and breakers. And then we have our solar charger controller, as well as our Victron Bluetooth battery monitor. Charging this system is 800 watts of Renogy solar panels. They're all mounted to the top. And yeah, definitely overkill. This thing charges really quick. Kind of moving on forward, we have our bathroom over here. We have this beautiful Duma wall. It's plastic lightweight tile. And then we have our shower head. That's a low flow shower head and has a stop and start function, which is really nice because you could set your temperature and then stop it when you want to soap, turn it on when you want to get off the soap. We also have our Nature's Head composting toilet. And then below all this system is our 25-gallon gray water tank. There is a valve right here under it that could release your water. So whenever you want to release your gray water, you can just let go of the valve and the plumbing goes through the floor of the van. And just to say that the gray water for the sink as well as the shower both go to this tank. Cool, let's bring you to the living room. Moving forward to the living room, we have a really nice bed sheet as well as some seating over here with our countertop. Really nice for 3 people to eat, work, do whatever, kind of hang out space. For all of our windows, we have custom insulated window coverings, which is really nice in the winter, obviously for to keep your heat in here, but as well as privacy when you're camping someplace you don't want people looking inside. Also to mention, we do have a 0% limousine tint on all of the windows, so it is really tinted when people try to look inside. It gives you a nice privacy. Kind of moving on forward, we have a little bit more coverage, storage under the bench sheets, as well as 2 more cubbies for storage. Above the cubbies, we have our little tiny fire stove. It's really nice in the winter, keep you cold in the dead of winter. Yeah, little fire chips go in there, and it's really cool. Under all this situation, we have our 65-gallon freshwater tank, and this services the sink as well as the shower. Moving forward to the bedroom area, under the bedroom we have the garage, and we'll go under there to show you guys that after. But up top we do have a queen size mattress that fits really nice and snug, as well as overhead cabinets up top. I put my clothing there, you guys can put whatever you want. It's really nice to have storage all over the van, or excuse me, the bus. Cool, kind of leading me over onto this side. On this half wall we do have 12-volt plugins for whatever you want. If you want to charge your phone, charge your laptop, charge your cameras, you could charge it right here. And a nice little kind of cool cubby, kind of countertop where you could fit water bottles or your phone. Over here we do have our diesel controller, diesel heater controller, and that vents out under our oven. Gives you also 2 sources of heat if anything were to go wrong, or if anything were, if it was really cold. Right below that we do have our Max Air Fan remote, and this charges this 75K max air fin. It has 10 speeds and has a blow in and blow out function. It's really nice when working with a window, and you could crack a window and have this blowing out, and it has a really nice cross breeze to it. Keeps you nice and cool in here. Cool. Moving forward to the kitchen, we do have on this half wall some AC outlets that you could use whatever you want for, as well as some switches for lights. And then we do have a carbon monoxide kind of a little safety feature to have if we want to have a nice burner right here. So moving forward, we do have a 3-burner Dometic cooktop. Like I said, it has 3 burners as well as an oven portion, which is really nice because you could bake whatever you want, also cook 3 things at once. Yeah, moving forward, we have a beautiful butcher block countertop that's finished, and you're able to actually use this as butcher block and cut on this, which is really nice. And then kind of moving forward, we do have our 2-foot sink, which is huge. It's a workstation sink, so it's really nice. It has a strainer if you want to make some pasta, as well as kind of like a little holder to hold your dry your dishes over here. We do have overhead storage, as well as kind of a spice rack, and this actually came with the bus originally, which is really nice, kind of cool. We also do have some cabinets, drawers below the kitchen. And then we do have a 65-liter Dometic fridge freezer combo. Last thing for the kitchen area, we do have a 4-gallon hot water heater, and this services the sink as well as the shower. Yeah, that pretty much concludes us on the tour. We'll go take you around to the garage and check out that area. So this brings us to our end of our tour, the garage. So we do have 3 separate locks on this, which is really nice to keep your stuff safe as well as yourself safe. And then check out the garage. There's plenty of storage in here. I normally keep my snowboards or surfboards, anything you want, skateboards, extra storage, whatever have you. As mentioned before, we do have a 65-gallon water heater that's hooked up to our 12-volt water pump over here. And we do also have a 5-liter diesel heater, a diesel tank, that's hooked up to our diesel heater. When I'm not using the propane, I like to keep it in the garage just to store it. But we do have in the back of the bus kind of a place where we could hook it up. That's welded on here, very tight, very strong. And yeah, just easy hookup on the back whenever you're cooking. Cool, well that kind of concludes us to our tour. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, my name is Alex. I'm with Mile High Custom Vans and Beachside Custom Vans. We are a custom van converter outside of Denver, Colorado, in our new location in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Very excited for our future. We do offer fully custom vans and have a few more spots available. Go ahead and check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Mile High Custom Vans, as well as Beachside Custom Vans. And thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on more tours.